Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. I'm here today to give you a quick tip on how to create custom colored ribbons and twines for your projects. The alcohol-based Stampin Blends are going to be able to color just about any surface and change the color so you can make that product coordinate with your projects. Today I want to talk to you specifically about ribbon. I have the classic weave whisper white ribbon here, and I have the braided linen trim here. I've colored samples of these for you just before the video, so I'll show you those at the end, but let me show you how it's done. I've cut a smaller piece here. This is the 1/8 inch sheer whisper white ribbon. Any Stampin Blends color will work. I prefer to use the thicker end of the Stampin Blends because it provides more broad coverage. The line here underneath the cap indicates what thickness the tip is. So I'm going to go ahead and use the brush side. I've placed a piece of basic black cardstock underneath here just so that you'll have a better view. So I'm going to start just by coloring in that ribbon with that marker, and you can see that it instantly changes the color tone. This ribbon has more of a silky finish, and you're going to find that it's going to bleed through to the other side very, very well. Now on these other ribbons, for instance, like the classic weave, this ribbon here has a little bit more density to it. So when I colored it with the Highland Heather, I actually colored it on both sides to make sure that I had the same color of concentration so that when I made my bow, it didn't look strange on one side versus the other. And then this one actually uses the braided linen trim. Now it does feel just a little bit crunchier than normal when the alcohol dries, but by using it with your hands, you can break down that feeling and it makes it a lot more pliable. This is just a quick tip on how you can use your Stampin' Blends to create custom colors for your projects that coordinate beautifully with the Stampin' Up palette. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up demonstrator and you're interested in receiving a complimentary copy of the annual catalog or the holiday catalog and are interested in products, I would be more than happy to send you a copy. Just leave me a comment below. Thanks so much for joining me, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next time.